Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. In this video we'll be working on 2018 Mercedes E400 convertible. Front end minor damage to the bumper, so we're gonna repair the bumper, respray it and send the car back home. So let's take a closer look. Yeah, just minor damage to the front bumper. Customer scraped it somewhere, so we're gonna repair it, paint it and send this car home. Should be a quick turnaround, usually takes about 3 days. So let's pull the car in the shop, remove the bumper and start working on it. Bumper is off. We're gonna strip the bumper completely, remove all the grills, sensor, all the good stuff. Alright, the bumper is stripped completely. Time to repair this, so I'm gonna use a heat gun, try to pop as much as I can, make this bumper even, straight as possible, and then we'll just use little Bondo to fix this area. Alright, we pushed it out as much as we can. The bumper actually ripped through, so we'll put a patch in the back so the Bondo won't crack later on. And yeah, should be good to go. Alright, we got the bumper straight as possible. Popped out the line, the little hole. And on this side I'm gonna put a patch and glue just for the extra support, so later on the Bondo won't crack. Alright, we put the glue in the back, patched it up. And this is the glue that I use, 3M 4240. It works the best. Once it dries up, it becomes like a rock, like a plastic solid piece. Alright, the bumper is finished. Time for primer and paint tomorrow. Alright, we got the bumper and the spray hood. We're gonna paint it right now and do the installation tomorrow. Alright, the bumper is painted, ready for install. Alright, time to put the bumper back together. Everything's dry and ready to go. Here's all the grills and a bunch of plastics. Alright, the bumper is all complete. Time to install it. Alright, Mercedes is finished. Time to take it to the car wash, get it washed, detailed, and ready for delivery. Alright, just picked up the Mercedes from car wash. It's detailed and ready for delivery. Came out clean. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Bye.